Stress is coming from me, right? You got me thinking that way.